This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the view are given in this isometric view. So first of all, in the top view, I will first draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 112 by 78, and then I will extrude boss it to 25 unit. So I'm selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle, place the center rectangle here, and now dimension it to 112 by 78 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 25 unit. Okay. So after that, in our sketch, we can see that here we have a triangular extrude cut. This triangular extrude cut, and this triangular extrude cut has a distance of 23 unit, which means this distance is 23 unit, and this point to this point it has a distance of 32 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the line tools and now draw an inclined line. So after drawing just inclined line, now select the smart dimension and dimension this point to this point. It will be 23 unit. Okay, and again select this point to this point, and this dimension will be 32 unit. Okay, after drawing this dimension, select the line tool and now close the shape. Okay, it has been done. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 25 unit. Now press OK. So after we have done this, it's time for we'll now see that we'll now draw this shape. So for drawing this shape, we can see that this vertical line here, this vertical line has a dimension of 46 plus 10 plus 20 unit minus 25. So this vertical distance will be a 46 plus 12 unit plus 20 unit minus 25 unit. Okay, so after drawing this vertical shape, then I will draw this horizontal shape. This horizontal shape has a dimension of 42 unit. Then I will draw a vertical shape, and this vertical shape has a dimension of 10 unit. Then I will draw an inclined shape. Then from this point to this point, it has a distance of 8 unit. Then I will close this shape. After closing shape, I will extrude it to 18 unit. Okay, I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the line tool. Place the line tool here. Now dimension it to 40, 46 plus 12 plus 20 minus 25. Okay, it is 53 unit. Now draw a horizontal line of 42 unit, and now draw a vertical line of 10 unit. Now close. Now draw an inclined line. So after drawing that inclined line, now we need to select the smart dimension option. From that smart dimension, select this point and this line, and these two distance will be 8 unit. So after dimensioning this, now select the line tools and joint this 2 point. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 18 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now after that, we will now draw in here. Okay, we'll draw a rectangle. This rectangle. After drawing this rectangle, we'll extrude boss it to 70 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting this face again. Now sketch, now normal to it. So as you can see, I will select this line and convert entities, and also select this line and convert entities. After making these two line convert entities, I will now select the line tools to closing the rectangle. Okay, so I have drawn the rectangle. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 70 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. So we have drawn this. Now in here we can see that we have another rectangular shape. For drawing this rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape we can see it this point start from the bottom of 20 unit. Then I will draw, and this rectangular shape has a vertical distance of 12 unit, and this horizontal distance we can say that it has a 32 unit horizontal distance. Then I will extrude it to 42 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle here, and this corner rectangle has a vertical distance of 12 unit, horizontal distance of 32 unit. And now select the smart dimension option, and from the this bottom line, okay, select this line, and from this bottom line it has a distance of 20 unit. So I am dimensioning it to 20 unit. Okay, now it's time for isometric it. So I am isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 42 unit. Okay, now press OK. So we have done this. Now in our sketch you can see that we have two circle, one circle here and another circle here. Both circle has a diameter of 8 diameter, and first circle, if we talk about this first extrude cut circle, it has a distance of 11 unit from this vertical line, and from this vertical line it has a distance of 10 unit. And if we talk about the second circle, it has a distance of 23 unit and a distance of 20 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it for a better view. I now select the circle, place the circle here, and now the dimension it to 8 unit. Now select this my dimension, and from here to here it has a distance of 11 unit. Okay, and from here to here it has a distance of 10 unit. So we have drawn our first circle. Now it's time for drawing the second circle. So I am again selecting the circle tool and placing the circle here and dimension it to 8 unit. Okay, now select the smart dimension, and from this point to this here it has a dimension of 23 unit. Okay, now again select the circle and this line and dimension it to 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Okay, now press OK. It has been extrude cutted. Now in here in the top face we can see that we have another extrude cut circle, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 18 unit. It has a distance of 20 unit and another distance of 21 unit. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it, now zoom it. Okay, now select the circle and place the circle here, and it has a dimension of 18 unit. After that select the smart dimension option. Now select this circle and this line, and this dimension will be 21 unit. Okay, again select this circle and this line. Now this distance will be 20 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 10 unit. Okay, extrude cutting it to 10 unit. Now press OK. Okay, As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching. And keep learning. Be different.